Hey, I'm Doodle Dog, and this is my drawing show where we draw cool stuff together. On today's episode, we're going to draw pizza.
Yummy!
So, grab a pencil and a piece of paper and let's doodle! Okay, we're going to start up here around this part of the page here, up at the top. And we're going to draw the top of the crust first. That is a long, slightly curved line that goes along like this. Okay, ready? Take your time now, this is a long line. Up like this. And then we continue it with a slight curve. Back down. And then we're going to have it curve back down like that. And then stop. Okay, we're going to draw the inside part of the crust here. And these are going to be 3 slightly curved lines that kind of overlap each other. So here's the first one, starting right here where we started. Back up like this. And then one like that. And like this. You can always pause the video if you need more time. Now let's give this crust some shape and do kind of a quarter circle curved line like this. Up here, like that. Okay, that's looking good. Now let's draw the top of the pizza down like this. This is a long line that goes down. It's going to be part of the triangle shape of the pizza. So starting right where we started, we're going to just draw a long line down like this. And stop. Now let's make this pizza really cheesy. That's the type I like. So let's do some wavy curvy lines that go all the way up and down, back up to the top of the crust here. So starting here, we're going to do kind of a teardrop line shape. And then it goes back up here like that. And then another littler one. And some wavy lines like that. Okay, let's keep going. Let's do a big, long, drippy one down like this, like maybe 2 in a row. Like that. Okay, now we'll just do a wavy line back up here, and we'll connect it back to the top of the crust here where we ended this line. Like that. Okay, now we're going to continue this line over here, back down underneath the cheese to give the crust some shape here, the finish off the triangle shape of the pizza. So here we go. We don't want to overlap these cheese lines. We want to stop and then continue the line underneath the cheese. Like that. Boy, that's some cheesy pizza. Now let's draw 3 pepperoni slices, because I like pepperoni on my pizza. So starting up here, it's going to be pretty much a circle shape, but it's slightly an oval. So here we go. There's one pepperoni. Maybe we do some little texture dots on top of it. And let's draw another one here. Remember, you can always pause if you need to catch up. Another circle. Like that. Let's do some little texture dots on the pepperoni. And we'll do one more right here. Like that. Some texture dots. And let's draw some more cheesy, wavy lines around the pepperoni here to really show off how cheesy this pizza is. Maybe like that, and one there. These kind of curved lines. Maybe some lines like that. One here. Boy, that's some gooey, cheesy pizza. Wow, your drawing is looking great. Now, let's add some color to it. Grab your crayons, markers, or colored pencils, and let's color it in. Remember to always sign your doodle. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. And don't forget, there are no mistakes, just doodles. I'll see you in the next video.